Mamema akwaba ever Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Usambekabi. Yanim say Kevin Taylor aso camera etuni unswa oya President Kufuor. Na yanim musu say ade a oye no e agenda a omatina se adwen ho omubisa mo hu say Bank of Ghana Abokano, how would they manage to divert the attention of Ghanaians from those debts by Bank of Ghana? Menem sir. And see, that's why when we say me mambeka wansem, me posting mpoye, me reply ye. And kamia banka me babe no I can say. But because I knew say Kevin Taylor is intentionally doing that to take away our attention from a car boy or Bank of Ghana, over 44 billion. My bushon for money maybe. Everything also is an opportunity for people to either vindicate themselves or prove suspicions right. And I believe, sir, that is what this Kevin Taylor insulting President Kufuor has done. Nipa bakwa nasema ba mitim ebra amedwin sa Kevin Taylor because asema ode no eye Nana Yaa Brefo of now oti onua. Nana Yaa Brefo ebra na oti onua TV no. Nana Yaa Brefo timi soja go Akufo-Addo susa. Soja go MPP susa. Nyansamboa kwa hima no Nana Yaa Brefo. Everything MPP beye bia no to Nana Yaa Brefo de bad evil. Obekasa found. Now I always say I don't have a problem with that. Choices. We are saying obia one choices. And yes, sir, good. But I believe, sir, from journalist, you must have principles. You must do journalism backed by principles. What you believed in yesterday, today, you should believe in same. And that is why enyumreweno mekasa efa Nana Yaa Brefo. Nana Yaa Brefo say what that Ghana force omuntu abama ndisi omuntu wie no de we dwane kotina US.
Wo Ghana ni a wutie me ehunu Nanado Adankwa Akufo-Addo amamuo san. Wo susu se ofa ne firi he ene ode ya ekwaduru he ene oje musan ediama president elect John Dramani Mahama. What are you expecting to hear? Then na wo susu sa obetie. Then na wo hwese His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ode beto yanim. Ye adwuma ketwa bi. Ye adwenche ketwa bi. Aye de bro.
No problem. Okotina US no. Na you were having issues with the kind of things are not Kevin Taylor here. You were having issues with it. And you spoke against Kevin Taylor. And obey yao. Or yao sa no. Uko pay wa US there. Or see so you're a sister. Or ma or car. Waji. Nana Yaa Brefo. I'm expecting that even though waji Kevin Taylor car no. Wabedi kosa semedi tia ye papa Kufuor no. Ubeba bonti abe kasaka se as dia Kevin Taylor car and one can ye. If you have principles, Nana Yaa Brefo, who are principles, if you are a principled person, come out and come and tell Kevin Taylor to the face. Unya vim lady, waba bonta bekasa. Unya vim lady, waba bekasa. And they say, obianem say, vim lady there. Maybe she has principles. Akao, Nana Yaa Brefo, akao. After taking a car, receiving a car gift from Kevin Taylor, no, will you still be bold enough to criticize Kevin Taylor, to tell Kevin Taylor to the face to stop the nonsense and the stupidity he is doing? We are waiting to see a challenge, and I expect you to accept this challenge if you are principled. If you don't accept it, it shows who you are. And next time, Ghanaians are beginning to see you people your true colors. Ghanaians are beginning to see, say, sir, now all of you know, most of you, now your principles, now your stomach direction, because Akufo-Addo was not allowing you to for people to do your bad things, and you hated Akufo-Addo. And then we are seeing all of you.
Eastern Regional House of Chief one, Omomla Bontin,
and then the
Omekasa.
Yes.
No one say,
Omon disassociate free no.
Omuni free, and yes, sir, a jana yesono, ya de become. Ebeyam ya say ebeko ka ochehene on ebe wanu wanyu ohene wanka ye ho a ene ewuja no ye de beso omoso ne biom National House of Chief for omonso mena bonten because this is the second time kwasiampanyi we eba bonten ebedi di Dr. Muhammad Mahmoud Bawumia atem ene MPP mpanyimfo atem abra ye kɔ fragbaraship race no papa we smoke away eba bonti bi di o matem so mo ye soundquas ema NDC for fa e de your agenda e kan sema enimu e di gu ye mpanyimfo no animase hwe oman kan na da ho no ho se obi trans na o kan entro to aso miensa na ababa ye no kre e da to obi tirimu enti no media mesre Eastern Regional House of Chief for and National House of Chiefs omoma bonten na omomekra omo ho na yenyinu emfiri se oye hen na yendiri ni se oye ordinary person as Ghanaian na yemfa no to apa no so na yenhoro ne yi pa na ye papa ye na akwasi platin so no papa we no ho ye se panyi na otenafie ma enkwalawe na nkane kana nkwayefo a oka ho na minim se unyina na minim se nyansa no ebi e ka ho ba minim se papa we di unyina na nyansa no e yira sa papa we ya ena okotna radio station TV station e ka kire Ghana for say na Akufo-Addo enum wi oye wi smoker oye sei to Ghana for team emamo die jandam e bi tia na do 208 ema Ghana for anto aba ma no sa hotel di wawa yeru Akufo die the same thing ene abrenem people wa ba mu ena governor no MPP governor no na ndi na bi fo na control no ene de opesu yi President Mahama efirimu na meka kuti se yiwura President Mahama wonhu se ni party na wo gu no 4 years it's not 400 years NDC for 4 years it's not 400 years na hwe Kevin Taylor no NDC ene Mahama etua ne ka brabedi dimpanfo atem owia ne etua ne ka na brafili saying from 2029 kono ho ye bebo President Mohammed na ye boyidin aka asem ya
ana tre no
because papa we no woni legacy papa bia wo manimu me see from 2029 ye did Dr. Muhammad Mahmoud Bawumia ebisi akonya so as the president of the Republic of Ghana no ye bo Mohammed na ye bebo ni din e de aka asem ya ne se odi onya sakraman Kevin Taylor na wonkoso no nimpanfo atem saa me di masam kwa wiye no President Mahama Frasta House na wotimu no eye yiwura John
Felix obet me drop me now for the voice amame okay
President Mahama Frasta House na wotimu no eye yiwura John Adekum Kufuor ene si saa dan no eni se waja wo sakrama na se ome titia ya former president enima se nu nwure enima se wonye hwe mfama o ma no na o ma na busonfo wi o mani sika wo ba wantima anye project ba kumpa saada na wutimu no tender fire you obetwa so aba 2028 2029 obetwa so aba onu asefo nyina bebre because se waja sakrama no so medi yela na atemo dia yen so we are going to descend on you. We are protecting our leaders to 2028 sebeto aba 2024 ne wa ban mu ntinu ye gya na sada ma omo ye ne ombe na mesre ye MPP mbans obi bielo de janda baba bia mu si ni court mu si sankrofo ne court ne se na poni anodom premier bom abaso pa biu nyame enkom ho pa no mama ho odina e bitimi de agina for 2028 my friends me that say
it is possible me pacho 7 minutes
Hey, Felix, but on my question, come here.
Okay, but any akwesi kwe.
I can't bear 5 minutes. Me do free.
Okay,
Yo,
akwesi 5
abusia
minutes.
for me mamunyina moajo. It is still possible. Everyone on this platform, I
No,
greeted
but hold on,
all
mommy.
of you.
Question, but hold on, mommy. 1 second. So, mess at the time, I'm back. Oh, Minia Kuma, Edu Solomon. It's your birthday. Okay, Onemenka Sawai. Let's talk in a back door. We happy birthday to you.
Nyama of you
Happy
20.
birthday. Nyamema omunye du. Na bo adwuma saa na ye adwuma saa. Ah, odo picture wa na nkam share post too. Na koso bo adwuma saa, fam mom saa, gugu so mom saa wate. Say yi Dennis Miracle no mama ye green light. They say they bugu mu saa. Saa na be. Akwesi, mama start to time na ma. Why, Mr.
Okay.
Mama start ma. All right, Yanko, brother.
Yo, meda si bebre. Abusia for nyina me chia obi a.
Me do me camera na kakra why. Mr. Me dey kutu kakra guy camera ntini me do me camera na kakra patcho.
Yo, me sre mo nyina NDC for ma obi a ma attention. Na say strategy na o ma take no. Omo pese omo ya ade a ebe divert ya adwene free omo ne ma omo yeso. Mesra mo a mo adaroma jimi na wo mo jim ne yeka no ba akom ye no a yentwa so na yesa na ye mo ma ye popular too much. Yam forget wo mo na yenhwe ye leaders na ye yi wo mo no na yemfa mpaibon ta wo machi. Tani ebe ya 2028 ne ebe gi to me na free wo mo nsem. Eno ne ade ehia atemdidie ne de ye bedi wo mo na so ye bedi in appropriate time. Yes ramo Kevin Taylor kwasi ampeni ya ono ne se bra papa bia o ma mobi no we wakan kwasi asam kire ya ni kwasi ya mane haye ya ni asuso no so ama na ye popular o
agenda almost so intina we o mede nana we so aba no
yes
so this week can come say am Mary Usia Chako XYZ ho nti dia be ya no ha na momode ye no ana wa ma
ebina sa ayi voter regional ho bi no nso yese wo ye se chieftaincy de be minister bi no ono nso ujimi no omo pese omo divert nkrofo adwene free ne omo ye no so ti mesra mo obi a mo attention ne yem focus on the omo ye no ne yem mo machi me da MPP mpanimfo so ase so omatimesiesie mpanimfo ne ntam Kennedy ne wo mo maka no na womo be support doctor ama yetimi aye campaign for 2028
but akwesi in fact Dr. Bawumia we show say oye nipa mu nipa o
responsible person
papa uni mi bi wachade no manaye moa say Kennedy ye say ewe adwuma nti ye de adwuma side ni na aye den ahye wo
yes
Brian
what show maturity papa
so we security ye the security woni na aye den ama education ye de ni na aye den ama kwabena je Japan we engineer ya ti engineer say Ghana ye got esi choki ya dan ye sisie go ye de side na aye den ama etu kwesi se saadie we ya Dr. Bawumia tumi aye no se mpanifuo no ho entumi amon bako amafom no man tai o metitafo no amadan no man fe djuman den pa ma doctor anya president sam pe nkofofo ni na me respect o mu bioda kopum da me di be fi ase
and me tin sa me mani se ni esi agye no on Felix
papa we yet to be akotazan wakwa akotazan ho ni na ne tazan akokasa ma chese brobe ho se wonte ya me ka kire wo wakọ brobe ho ne na akokasa
Martin nyina eno na nka me bekeka ho asem
bring everybody on board. How can you hate such a man?
Oh,
how can you hate such a man?
In fact doctor there nyankopon wa hira no
eh fidie no was
Dr. Bawumia
wona wo se wo do MPP now you have been given a place to stay
wona wo se wo do MPP
so your word
nyankopon wo de chakwa enye obi aso na enye
tanati o e dia mesre mpanimfo ma ya dia mesre mpanimfo ya yi wo mo ne se wo mo mfa akoma pa odo ene no kre eni doctor echi na yenka ye hommom na wo mo ye the base ne hwan nyina no mo enkole wo mo enkrofo no together na yen siesie ye ntam na bibia
ya no honorable case say discreet na ma ti say wo say ye kodam ko meeting akoli ki wa abontene biem
yes
ye de ama
Yes, woman.
Brand security.
Security.
Brand security and defense.
I don't know say
Ono works. Adwuma jobs and industry.
Oh, and yes, adwuma wura.
Adwuma no bra.
And odi alanka asade.
Na security come hwan. And thank you.
Yes, omo pa wodone akoma pa doctor dia ka omo boma wode yes adwuma no omo mfa saa wodokro na bi enshow maturity from doctor na omo nkeka niema mom na eniema entoto yie ma ye for 20